Holy shit.
Oh my god. Look at it. Look at this shit, man. Look at the bent this whole shit up right there. Thank God for donuts.
Look at how sexy it is.
Woo! Holy shit, look at this thing on here sometimes.
Oh, good. This is why you do not go over 95 in a $200 and $300 Honda.
Shit, this thing's gonna hit us.
What a dick.
They think they can do about that.
Oh, solves that problem.
Where'd they put that tire, man?
I'm gonna make some money after this video. Kody changing the tire. Spinning and shit.
My fingers cut open again.
Yeah.
Damn it. Nope. Good thing I had a spare.
No
I
shit.
thought I took it out.
It would have been fucked. You
My
fucking
car would have been so... My car would have been all robbed, my amp and speakers would have been gone like they did.
Shit. Fucking sitting on cinder blocks.
Yeah, with a flat tire gone and everything.
That was scary.
Throw this tire out in the road and kill somebody.
Fucking yeah. I'm nervous standing that close to the fucking road. Oh man, now the screwdriver's stuck.
Okay.
Woo! That's how you change a tire by Kody Walker. At least you don't have to worry about it scraping against the thing, huh?
Yeah,
Fuck. Get Kody's butt. Alright, have fun.